Hi, how are you? I'm Dr. Jeff. Okay, if you're looking at this video, there's something very important that probably you are starting to pay attention to your health. Nowadays, we are living on the earth and the earth is full of pollution. And the pollution is not only from the environmental elements, but it's also from our emotion. Imagine, if you are living in such a polluted environment, how your body going to handle with it? It will be full of toxic collection in your body. And the toxic collection will be slowly accumulatively hide in your body, especially in your liver. And what are you doing on all those toxics in your body? Are you doing anything to clear it, or you are just keeping it together with you? Yeah. Today, if you are looking at this video, you are probably understanding more about your health. Let us explain to you how to take care of your body to handle better with this polluted environment. Yes, as you can understand, pollution always happens around us, but you can't help it. Our body has the own ability to detoxifying the pollution or toxins in the body. But imagine if the environment is highly polluted and your body is accumulatively hiding and keeping all these toxics, are you able to clear it completely? The answer is no. And your liver probably is doing the best to clear it, but you may not be able to clear completely. Meaning to say your body is still keeping small amount of the balance of toxic in the body. And over time, the toxic will be damaging and affecting your health. So, the first step to improve your health is by helping your liver to achieve a better level of detoxifying ability. How to do it? Yes, as we understand, in a natural form of our liver function, it has these ingredients called glutathione and NAC to help the liver to detoxify toxics. So, by this treatment called Immune Booster, designed by Revival Clinic, we can help you to infuse this glutathione and NAC to your body and let the liver to have a higher level of these ingredients. And these ingredients will help your liver to detoxify whatever the balance of toxic that you get before and unable to be cleared off. Yeah, by doing so, you will be able to have your liver to be healthier. Yes, step number 2, very simple to understand. Imagine if your body is having a lot of toxics. These toxics are doing harm to the body. How does it harm your body? It's actually creating inflammation in your body. When your body is inflamming, your cells in your whole body are lacking of energy. And importantly is your immune system. If your immune system cells are lacking energy, your immune system will drop. And secondary important is your gut cells. Your gut is very important to handle all the toxics. If your gut cell is weak and lacking of energy, your gut will be unable to perform normally to absorb nutrition and to help your liver to detoxify. Yes, here you can understand and imagine the second step to improve your health is to boost the energy in your cells and in your body. By boosting the energy in your body, it will help your body cells to boost better strength of your immune system. And most importantly is when your gut cells lining has a better energy, yes, your gut started to come back and function better. It makes your guts to stay stronger, to survive better together with probiotics. Then your gut will be able to handle better in the foods that you ingest, and it will help your body to absorb better nutrition from the food. And then it will also help your body to avoid absorbing all the unnecessary toxics to the body. This is what we call energy and gut booster. Step number 3 to improve your health is called exosome. What does it mean? Yes, imagine again, if your body has high toxic and high inflammatory condition in the body, your energy of the cell is weakened and the cells will eventually become tired and it will probably die off, and eventually overall your body will age faster. In this sense, your cells in the body are in the sense of high level of healing and helping your body to cope with it, and probably your stem cells in your body is working hard. But the thing is, whether is it doing a good job or optimum level of replenishing your cells? The answer may be not if your body has high inflammatory condition or high toxic characters in the body. Yes, how can we help to break through this condition? It's a treatment called exosome. Exosome is a signal derived from exogenous stem cells, meaning to say your body will be able to produce exosome. But if your body are unable to cope with all these overwhelming inflammation and free radicals or toxics, your exosome is not enough to help your body. Then you need extra exosome from the source of stem cells, and this exosome is a signal that helps your cells, especially your own stem cells, to heal, to regenerate, and to rejuvenate all your organs and your body cells. That it helps your body to become energized again, healthier again, and younger again. In this sense, it will help your body immune system overall, from the side of all the white blood cells, immune system to your gut, and all the liver cells to be healthier. That it will not only help you to stay younger, healthier, but also help your body to fight better with the toxics, and also your gut to stay stronger all the time. This is number 3. Number 4 is a very special treatment that nowadays we have seen a lot of researchers and literature's evidence to show this called wave technology. In the machine name called OnaMed, it is a technology using a frequency resonations in the body. What does it mean? Our body cells has an ability to produce frequency at any single point of time. And this frequency determines the characters of the cells. And if the frequency is at the right wave, the cells is functioning at the optimum and the best form of it. But most of the time, our cells are not performing or behaving at the optimum level at each moment of the time. Meaning to say your body is producing and signaling and also telling yourself that it is not performing. So if your cell is not performing, the frequency is not at the right wave. So how to do it and help yourself to tune back is this technology called OnaMed. With these resonations of wave, by attaching some tools on your body without any pain, it helps your frequencies in your cells to become balanced and come back to the optimum wave of the cells itself. So this technology not only helping your cells to behave at the optimum level, but it also helps your body to absorb and utilize all the nutrition, including the immune booster, the energy booster, the gut booster, the exosome that you infuse in. It helps it to function better and to work better. This is the technology that now we are using tremendously in Revival Clinic. In Revival Clinic nowadays, we understand your needs and there are different kind of individuals with different background, different age and different condition of the health. How do we tackle every single one with a tailored and personalized treatment? The answer is with our experience and in-depth understanding of health in every one of you. We have designed this particular 3 different packages of treatment in Vitality program to help every single one of you. Hereby, I would like to introduce first package is package A. We call it Basic Vitality. This package is focused particularly for young and middle-aged group people who are individually always have hectic lifestyle. If you are always having a late night, sleepless night, always stay very late night and your work is always very burdened, and you always feel brain fogging, lack of stamina, and you couldn't pick up energy easily in your routine, this is a package that suits you. What does it do? In this package, it helps your body to detoxify. Because when you stay late night, most of the time, your body will collect a lot of toxics. So you need to detoxify your liver and your body from all these toxics. And at the same time, you need to re-energize your body cells so your body can revitalize so that it will become stronger, more energetic. Then at the same time, it helps your cells to stay younger and stay stronger. So that helps you to maintain your health. So this is package A. Package B is called Advanced Wellness. This package is indicated more for people who are starting to have aging issue. If you are at the age around 50, roughly about 45 to 55 or even 60, if you're starting to face some aging issue, for example, if you're starting to have some grey hair, hair loss, or you're starting to have a lot of wrinkles or aging marks on your face, or you're probably starting to have body aging like muscle weakness, muscle losing, and joint pains. And if you are having obesity and if your body blood sugar level is starting to climb higher and higher, your cholesterol is slightly borderline or higher, or your blood pressure is slightly borderline or higher, at this stage, you are probably facing some aging issue and you want to do something with it, but you don't want to depend on medication. Okay, this advanced wellness is to help you to detoxify your body and at the same time to re-energize your body, especially your stem cells, so that your cells will function back, will work back, to recover all this issue. The purpose is to remain stronger, energetic and revitalized all the time. At the same time, you'll probably be able to reverse these early signs of aging issue in your body. This is package 2. Okay, package C is Ultimate Rejuvenation. This package is designed more particularly for more illness condition or illness problem. It's basically more targeted for anyone who has significant illnesses, like for example, if you already have established diabetes, cholesterol or hypertension, or even if you have established autoimmune diseases like psoriasis, eczema and etc. If you have all these issues and you're probably facing a lot of unhealthy condition in your gut, in your immune system, this is the Ultimate Rejuvenation package that suits you. What does it do? It helps your body to heavily detoxify your body, and it helps your immune system cells to reverse and recover to the best or better stage than you are now. So this treatment is a targeted treatment that it boosts especially your stem cells to re-energize back in your immune system so that your immune system can reach a better condition rather than turning around, become a vicious cycle at this current stage that you are. So what does it help? It actually makes your body to become better and to recover from these diseases, and at the same time, it also helps you to prevent this worsening of your diseases. This package is not only for disease condition, but it also a very important or very good package for anyone who are looking forward to stay younger and healthier all the time. It can be a maintenance treatment for anyone who are facing aging issue or who wants to stay younger and healthier at their best. So this treatment package is revitalize your cell and your organ and all the time with your stem cells to improve your body at the optimum level at all time. Yes, in Revival Clinic, we have planned and customized, tailor-made all these 3 packages to target every single individual that has different needs based on their individual health and also lifestyle condition. So we hope that these 3 packages can suit you and help you to achieve a better and healthier lifestyle.